Welcome to the Pagan Playground. Week 46. Using other languages and alphabets for magical purposes. Now in Christianity, it's something called speaking tongues, which apparently I guess my grandmother used to do, or her mother used to do. So apparently, you know, if you're deep in prayer, you suddenly speak Klingon. I'm not quite sure how this works. Somebody else actually heard somebody speaking in tongues, so it's sort of a thing regardless of your religion, so I'm not quite sure. But I don't see anything wrong with it. I mean, there are like witchy alphabets. There are, which the runes. There's the runes that everybody are familiar with. The Futhark runes is another alphabet, or at least I consider it so. Even if you did utilize your own alphabet, even if you wanted to use the Klingon alphabet, or something like that, I suppose as long as you, depending on what you're using it for, make sure who you're, if you're doing a god connection type of thing, like I work with like the Egyptian pantheon, if I wanted to use an alphabet, the smarter thing to do would be using hieroglyphs, or hieroglyphics, so yeah, if you're like part of the Celtic tradition, you'd want to use like maybe the Futhark, or that part of the world's native language. Or like I said, even create your own and have that sort of one-on-one and make sure that, okay, they know that this is the alphabet you're working with, that type of thing. Like introduce them, who you're working with, to your alphabet. Yeah, so, but I would say use consistency, if you're doing, the Egyptian gods, you don't necessarily, you'd want to use hieroglyphs and not like Chinese characters, you know what I mean? You kind of want to stick to what they know. And then if you want to like write out a spell type of thing, and you want more of like a security type of thing, having your own code, your own alphabet might be a good idea. Especially if you're like out in the open and you're wanting like nobody reading over your shoulder and you're writing in code, Oh, what's that? Oh, it's a recipe for, bananas or whatever, So yeah, I think it's a good idea. It depends on what you're doing. Just consistency, make up your own. It'd be a fun thing to do. And if you speak and if you are multilingual, awesome, because I think that opens up a lot more everything, really. I know a little bit of Klingon, a bit of German. I can speak dribble. So yes, I think it is a fun thing to learn. I think it'd be very useful for magical purposes. So yeah, that type of thing. So, trying to keep up with my brain parts. There we go. So, thank you for watching, and blessed be. Blah, blah.